Look out. This is another CGBS Crazy Drunken Review. Full Moon Edition. Fuck yeah. Woo! Fuck yeah.
Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another exciting episode of GB's Crazy Drunken Reviews, where we review boxed frozen meals or frozen products, maybe store prepared products, they don't have to be frozen, and see what the general population are eating if, you know, they're just too lazy to fucking cook. Let's get uncanny with a can of fucking Carling Lager, brewed in Canada. Carling Lager was first brewed in Canada in, like, I don't know, 1860 or some fucking thing, in London, Ontario. 4.9%. So, without further ado, let's get on fucking canny, shall we? Cheers, big ears. So what we're reviewing today, Belmont Meats. I've never heard of this before. Angus Beef burgers. I've never heard of this company. I got this from the Giant Tiger. I bought this, I unboxed it. I'm giving this a 1 out of 5 right off the bat, and you'll see why. I bought this today. We have 6 burgers here. Oh, that was the right side. Freezer burned to fuck. Like, absolutely insane. How long were they? Well, number one, look at all the air in there. It's full of snow. But freezer burned to fuck. These are just gonna be total fucking shit. So I'm gonna make 3 of them. Make, cook, whatever you want to call it. The charcoal's going. This is the first time in 6 months I've even lit a barbecue grill. Scissors, look out, right here. Pardon my covered elbow for elbow boy. Like, freezer burn fucking bullshit. Are you fucking kidding me right now? It's absolutely unacceptable. And I'm sure it's not the fault of the company. It's the fault of the Giant Tiger. The big pussy. Like, look at that. That part's not a freezer burner. Look at that. That's just fucking horrible. Let's put these back in the freezer to get more burned. Smells like beef. You can smell it. So, yeah, you know, there you go. French burgers de boeuf, burned to freezer. There's your, what do you call that shit? Your nutritional value, words and numbers. Read it, and if you don't read it, then don't fucking worry about it. Take your barcode and fuck off. Back in the freezer you go. So, yeah. We're gonna go dump the charcoal. We're gonna separate these fucking hockey pucks. That's not freezer burn. I don't even want to fucking make these. I really don't. I don't want to eat this shit. This is gonna be bad for me. Alright, bitches. I'd rather drink beer and just fucking go to bed hungry. But we're gonna do a review. Cheers, big ears. Woo! I got a ZTFO. Sorry, hey, I kind of zoomed in a bit. Wait, ZTFO. There you go. I zoomed the fuck out. ZTFO. There you go, buddy. You got a ZTFO and an elbow shot. A covered elbow shot. See you soon. Fuck yeah. All right, bitches. Woo! We done. I got 2 with cheese and, well, 1 without. I'm set up. I'm getting ready to make burgers. But here we're just trying the patty. But before we get crabby with the patty, woo! No SpongeBob there. We're gonna get uncanny with another fucking Carling lager. And, I don't know. We're starting off with a 1 out of 5 just because of the freezer burn. That could have been from the warehousing or from the store, who knows? Is it from the original company? Probably not. The logistics and all that bullshit, partly to blame. The big bag of air, that is to blame. They should be fucking vacuum sealed. But before we go any further, cheers, big ears. Alright, let's try this patty out. This is the Belmont Meat Angus Beef Burger. Juicy and flavorful. Really any good. Starting off with a 1 out of 5 because of the freezer burn. We'll just knock her right down the fucking middle. Oh hey, I didn't even take a temperature on that. Gee, oh, I'm gonna die now. If you don't know when your burger is ready, you shouldn't be fucking cooking it. Smells like beef. Let me lick it. Tastes like beef. Tastes like beef. There's juice. As you can see, there is juice. It's not horrid. Tastes like a burger patty. Nothing any special. The consistency is, I don't know, a little sawdusty. Is that a word? I don't think so, but it's not like sawdust. It's different. It's different. It's something you would expect to, if you're going to like a community function or something, like you'd have a big, I don't know, you'd pay $5 to give to charity for a fucking burger or something. Is it like homemade? Fuck no. Would I buy this again? No. I make my own fucking burger patties. And I don't just use beef. I add stuff to it. That part was juicy. But, no, I wouldn't buy this again. Take away the freezer burn, I would give this a 3 out of 5. With the freezer burn, it goes up from a 1 to a 2. Would I feed this to children? Yes. Absolutely. You have a birthday party or something? Here, eat this fucking stuff. Fucking bastards. Yeah, I would do that. I can't remember how much I paid for this. I meant to look at the bill and I fucking burned the bill. So, I don't know. Is the freezer burn the fault of the company or the big pussy giant tiger? I don't know. But it tastes like a beef burger. And, well, a burger patty, because we're just doing the patty. We're not eating an actual burger. Maybe I'll make a burger and show you. I don't fucking know. I don't know. I'm drunk. This is a fucking crazy drunk review, right? But I wouldn't buy it again. No. Alright, I'm gonna make a burger. Why the fuck not? Just rambling now anyway. Cheers, big ears. Whoa. Fuck, that beer is good, I tell you what. What? Woo!